DJ Delz.
Welcome to a brand new episode of the Delz Show. Bang that thumbs up right now if you love Funko Pops. The E3 Funko Pop exclusives have released today. I did get my hands on King Dice and this right here from Halo. Oh my god, so sick. And I was gonna pass on it. I know some of you guys are wondering why. Why do you think I was gonna pass on it? Because the box is all jacked up, as you can see right there. I hate that. I do not like that at all. But this was a Funko Pop I feel like I may be able to fix. I keep seeing videos from time to time of people fixing the boxes, and the damage is really not that bad. I feel like I can hit it with like an iron right here and it'll flatten the box. If you want to see me do this kind of video, I will. Just let me know in the comment box below. And once again, I think that this is fixable because the rest of the box is fine. And this was the best out of all of them. All the other ones were so damaged. And this was a situation where I couldn't get it anywhere else for retail. And I'm not paying over retail for Funko Pops. I'm going to at least try not to. So without further ado, let's take them out of the box. Bang! Here's a look out of the box. Let's zoom up on them. And let's focus on actually King Dice first. Focusing on King Dice, all gold. That's really what it comes down to. It's all gold. There's a look at his side. There's a look at his back right there. There's a look at his other side. There's a look at the top. And there's a look at the bottom. You got the 3 on the dice on the bottom right there. And we'll just zoom right up on that face. Let's get to Master Chief. It's got this translucent, cloudy vibe to it. I absolutely love it. I think it looks fantastic. And we'll back it up a little bit. It's really a cool pop, and that's why I really wanted to get it. I don't own anything like this. This is the only thing I have close to it, but this is completely translucent. You see right through Gollum right there. And I love this pop, by the way. Really nice. I recommend it if you're a fan of Lord of the Rings. And getting back to this one right here, just want to give you a 360 vibe. There's a look at the back. There's a look at his other side. And there we go. Close-up HD look at both E3 exclusives. Let me know which one you like better. We'll do a little battle. Leave that in the comment box below. I personally gotta go with King Dice. I'm gonna go with King Dice. That's me. Leave your comments in the box though. Definitely excited to check out what's going on with E3. I really want to see this Young Bucks and Kenny Omega versus the New Day. Can't wait to see that. I'm a big fan of all of them, and Street Fighter is my shit. I love Street Fighter, so definitely looking forward to seeing that. My prediction, I think that the New Day is going down. I think Bullet Club is taking this one, but let me know your thoughts. Plus, speaking of Bullet Club, they do have Funko Pops coming out. I will link down in the description box below where you can pre-order them, and they're guaranteed to come in mint condition. So if you're looking for any of the upcoming Funko Pops, I'll put a little listing in the description box below. I'm going to do that on every video now to help you guys out with looking for Pops. Because sometimes I'll shoot a video and people will be like, damn, I missed out on them. And you don't need to miss out on them. You just need to know when they are coming out, when they're available, where you can pre-order them. So I will have all that in the description box below. There's tons of new Funko Pops. I'm thinking offhand and I just can't think of them. So I will list them in the description box below with the links where you can find it all. And also, what I'm hearing, because I want to speak about this, when it comes to this Mermaid Deadpool, a lot of people are like, yo, what's the deal with the metallic? Like, I went to a Target, they opened up the box, and they only had this version. From my understanding, there is a metallic coming out, but it will be in a pack. It's going to come with the t-shirt. So it's going to be kind of like this right here. Let me show you, like this, that released, which I have available for trade. I'm looking for the Thanos. So if you have the Thanos, hit me up if you want the Black Panther. It's a sick pop. You definitely need it. I picked up another one because I'm going to use it for trade bait. I don't resell my pops, but I do pick up more than one for trade bait. So I do have that available for trade if you're interested. Other Funko Pops that I am looking for. I'm trying to find the Atom Bomb Chase. So if you have it and you want to do trades, hit me up. I'm not interested in buying it for resale value. I'm not into that, but I'm willing to do trades. So if you have the Atom Bomb Chase from Garbage Pail Kids, I really, really want that one. Please hit me up on my Instagram over at Delz Toy Show or over at Real DJ Delz. I also picked this up, and if you want to see a detailed review, I will post that in the description box below, or a pop-up somewhere on the screen, or just go check out my latest videos. I'm pretty sure I released that yesterday, so check out that video. This is a sick pop, and I take it out of the box and all that good stuff, so definitely check that video out. And I hope to be back tomorrow with a new video. I think I got something coming in tomorrow, something special, so stay tuned. And if you're new to the channel, definitely subscribe. Plus hit that little bell, that's the notification bell, lets YouTube know it's okay to notify you when I upload a new video. Oh, another Funko Pop I'm looking for, the Asuka, WWE Asuka Chase. I don't think it came out yet, but I'm seeing people posting it on eBay. I want that, so if you see that, I'm trying to get it. Plus the Deadpool 7-Eleven exclusive. I love Deadpool. I'm trying to get that Funko Pop. I'm having no luck whatsoever. So if you're able to pick that one up for me, I will love you forever. So definitely, even if you're not into Funko Pops and you just like watching my videos, check out your local 7-Eleven and look for the Funko Pop of Deadpool. He is in his gray uniform. Check that out and help your boy out. If you run into it, please pick one up for me. And you can even surprise me. You don't even have to tell me you got it. I have my address. If you ever want to send anything for me to unbox, that is in the description box below. Also, one more thing. I do have a Patreon where I do an hour podcast and a monthly giveaway. Check that out also. A lot of people always looking for giveaways. Support, join the Patreon. The money that's raised there goes to my wife who has cancer. Our bills are crazy right now, so you know, every little bit helps. And I try to entertain you. I know I do a pretty damn good job because the feedback is phenomenal. And I thank everyone that is loving the podcast. So definitely check it out. Being a member also gives you the access to be an executive producer where you give your questions, you tell me the ideas of what you want me to speak about for the week, and we have a great time doing it once a week. Thanks for watching. Leave your comments.
So happy he's back.
Delete.
DJ Delz.
DJ Delz.
And you're Benjamin. Prepare the battlefield. That's right. Delete. Delete. Delete!
DJ Delz.
Senor Benjamin, where's Vanguard 1?
He's up there watching movies. He is always surveilling.
Oh, surveillance?
Yeah.
For security, right? Security purposes? Thank God. Thank God for him. I prayed for him when he was hurt. I prayed every night.
He was drinking too much last night.
I know. Oh, yeah? What were you drinking? Tequila?
Yes, DJ Delz, absolutely wonderful.
Senor Benjamin.
Very good. Battlefield massacre.
This is the man right here. You feel me?
Shout out to DJ Delz.
DJ Delz.
Who do we got? We've got the one and only Ken Shamrock. Look at this guy. He is looking better than all these other guys on the arms, man.
Hey, I start my day out like that ever since I was a kid. Training has been my life. It isn't stopping now. But I will say this. There's a couple things that I wanted to do before I before I stepped away and actually retired. I've done everything in the world when it comes to MMA. I've captured all the belts. I did everything I've ever done in all these other organizations. In the WWF, or WWE as they call it now, the one thing that I have not was able to capture was that heavyweight belt. And I'm telling you, I want a chance to be able to go after that belt. But only if either Brock Lesnar has it, or The Rock has it, or Kurt Angle has it. Either one of those three I want. I want the ankle match with Kurt Angle to see snap, crackle, and pop. Or I want Brock to see who is the best from MMA and pro wrestling. Of course, it would be me. And The Rock, because he ran away from me after I grabbed him from the penalty champion. Then he went up to get the belt, and then I was supposed to go after that, and he ran away.
He's calling them out. He's calling them out. You guys hear it, right? He's calling them out.
Make it happen.